Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cash out your funds using the Coinbase application. It's really simple and easy. To cash out your funds, you first need to sell your crypto for cash. Then you can transfer the funds into your bank or use the cash buy more crypto. There is no limit on the amount of crypto you can sell for cash. To begin cashing out your funds, tap on My Assets in the bottom. Then scroll down and tap on the crypto you want to sell for cash. Then tap on Sell, entering the amount you want to sell and tap Review Order. Verify the details are accurate, then tap on Place Order to complete this transaction. You can now tap View Account or Done. Now let's go over to cash out your funds. Tap on My Assets, scroll down to your crypto, tap on your local currency, tap on Cash Out, enter the amount you want to cash out, choose your cash up method by selecting either an instant out or a standard cash out to your bank account or debit card. Then tap Review and then tap Cash Out to complete this transaction. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.